Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Quantitative Aptitude by S Agarwal and the topic is Numbers MCQ part 28. Problem number 136. In a division sum, the divisor is 10 times the quotient and 5 times the remainder. If the remainder is 46, then what is the dividend? Okay, so divisor is 10 times of quotient and 5 times of remainder. But remainder they have given. Okay. So the solution, if you are considering, dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So here the dividend also we don't know and divisor also we don't know. But they have given a clue. Divisor is nothing but 10 times of quotient and 5 times of remainder. Okay. So remainder they have given. So how we will consider here? 5 times of this remainder is nothing but the divisor. So 5 into 46 into Q plus 46. So 5 into 46 we will get it as 230 Q plus 46. And the quotient if we are considering in the sense 10 times of quotient is nothing but the divisor. So divisor here they have given us 230. Okay, so quotient if we are considering 230 divided by 10. So we will get it as 23 here. So 230 into 23 plus 46. So here we will get it as 5290 plus 46. So the value is 5336. So the dividend value is 5336. So the correct option here is D, 5336. Next, problem number 137. The difference between two numbers is 1365. When the larger number is divided by smaller one. So larger number if you are considering in the sense this is dividend and the smaller one is nothing but the divisor. Okay. So when the larger number is divided by the smaller one, the quotient is 6 and the remainder is 15. What is the smaller number? So the same formula we have to implement. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And here, the thing we have to consider here is larger number. So larger number is nothing but the dividend. Okay. So the larger number dividend, we will consider it as Y. Okay. And the smaller number, that is nothing but the divisor. So the divisor we will consider here it as X. When the larger number is divided by smaller number, the quotient is 6. So the difference between the two number is 1365. So the difference between the two number is larger number and the smaller number. So here if we are considering Y minus X, that is nothing but 1365. Okay. So from this we will find Y. So Y is equal to 1365 plus X. So now we will implement in this formula. So this is nothing but dividend. So Y is nothing but dividend. Okay. So now we will implement in this formula. So dividend is 1365 plus X, that is equal to divisor. So the divisor actually we don't know. But here we have considered it as the smaller number is divisor, that is nothing but X. So X into quotient is nothing but 6 plus remainder is 15. So if you are solving this one, 1365 minus 15 is equal to 6x minus X. So 5x is equal to 1350 and X is equal to 1350 by 5. So the value we will get it as 270. The X value is nothing but 270 and this is nothing but the divisor. Okay. So there is smaller number, that is nothing but divisor is 270. So the correct answer is option B, 270. Next, problem number 138. In doing a division of a question with 0 remainder, a candidate took 12 as divisor instead of 21. So here, mistakenly he has taken the divisor as 12 instead of 21. So the quotient obtained for him is 35. If he has taken the divisor 12. The correct quotient is, suppose if he has implemented the divisor is 21, what is the quotient? Okay. So we know the formula. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So here the divisor he has considered, that is mistakenly he has considered it as 12. And the quotient he got is 35. And the remainder is 0. Okay. So if you are multiplying this one, the value we will get here is 420. Suppose if he has taken the right divisor, that is 21, into quotient we don't know, plus remainder is 0 only. Okay. Equate with this, that is 420. So here Q is equal to 420 divided by 21. So we will get 20. So, if he has taken the divisor, right divisor, the value is 21 in the sense, the quotient we will get here is 20. So, the correct answer is option D, 20. Next, problem number 139. When n is divided by 4, remainder is 3. What is the remainder when 2n is divided by 4? Okay, that is 2 times. So, the general formula is dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So here dividend is nothing but n. So this is dividend and this is divisor and this is remainder. Okay. So dividend is n, divisor is 4 and the quotient we don't know and the remainder is 3. Okay. What is the remainder when 2n is divided by 4? The divisor is same only. But what is the remainder when 2n is divided by 4? So here multiply by 2n. 2n is equal to 2 into 4q plus 3. Okay. Since we are multiplying with 2, here we are getting 2n. So multiply with 2. So here we will get 8q plus 6. So here if we are considering it is 8q plus 6. So we can take in terms of 4. Okay. So 4 into 2q plus 4 plus 2. We can take in terms of 4. Okay. So this 4 we can take outside. 4 into 2q plus 1 plus 2. Okay. So this is nothing but the quotient and this is nothing but the remainder. So, when 2n is divided by 4 in the sense, we will get 2 as the remainder. So, the correct answer is option B, 2. Remainder is 2. Next, problem number 140. A number when divided by 6 leaves remainder 3. So, here divisor is 6 and 3 is the remainder. When the square of the same number is divided by 6. Okay, this is like previous problem. Previously, we have considered 2n. Here, we need to take square. Okay, what is the remainder? So, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so here, divided by 6. So, the divisor value is 6 into q plus remainder is 3. Okay, so here, the dividend, if we are considering in the sense, dividend we will consider like n. Okay. When the square of the same number is divided by 6. So, we need to take square. So, consider like n square is equal to 6q plus 3 whole square. So, here 6q in the sense 36q square plus 36q plus 9. So, here this is 36, this is 36 and this is 9. So, we can take in terms of 6. Okay. So, 6 into 6q square plus 6 into 6q plus this we can write it as 6 plus 3. Since all we have taken in terms of 6. So, here if you are taking 6 outside in the sense, this is 6q square plus 6q plus 1 plus 3. So this will be the quotient and this 3 will be considered as the remainder. So when the square of the same number is divided by 6 in the sense, the remainder is 3. So the correct option is option D, 3. Thank you for watching this video.